Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about blockchain Web3.js. First of all, what is blockchain? Why blockchain came into the picture? So we know general transactions, like I take one simple example, one simple use case. Okay. So one user is going to be investing the money with the multiple banks. Okay. One person is going to be investing the money in the multiple banks. This is a one use case actually. Okay. He is investing money, $1 million here, and he is investing money, $1 million here, and again he is investing money, $1 million here. Again, he is investing the money, $1 million here. I'm talking about the general transactions. Okay. Somehow the first bank got hacked. The first bank got hacked. Okay. All money gone. When the hackers hacked this bank, all the money gone. Somehow the second bank fired. Second bank fired. Okay. All transactions, all money gone. Okay. And this kind of situations which are going to be happening with the normal transactions, general transactions in the financial sector. Okay. Come to the blockchain. Then what blockchain is specialization here? This is something like a cryptocurrency, guys. This is something like a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency means what? This is not general currency. In the fire, general currency crashed. In the hacker hacked, automatically that money also gone. But in the cryptocurrency, the currency in the form of numerical digits. Okay. Okay, fine. In the cryptocurrency, what is going to be happening? For example, the same person who is going to be investing the money with the multiple areas. Okay, for example, he is investing the money in the bank. The bank again investing the money in somewhere. And this guy investing the money in somewhere. This guy investing money somewhere. Transaction, how the transaction is going to be happening? This is one transaction. This is another transaction. This is another transaction. And this is another transaction. Okay. Every transaction is going to be stored in one ledger. Every transaction is going to be stored in one ledger. This is called ledger. Okay. And these ledgers are going to be stored by blocks. This is called ledger. And the ledger is going to be stored in the block. Okay. This block generating here. The same block which is going to be happening here. The number of blocks which are going to be creating. Every transaction, for each and every transaction, number of blocks are going to be generating. All these blocks are interlinked. All these blocks are interlinked. Okay. When all the blocks are interlinked, and these blocks are going to be generating with decentralization applications. These blocks are going to be generating with decentralization applications, dApps. Okay, what this dApp is, this is something like a hash algorithm based encryptions. Hash algorithm encryptions. Hash algorithm encryption. So when this kind of encryption is available, nobody can hack. Nobody can hack. Okay, somehow even one block got hacked. One block got hacked. But all the transactions are available in every block now. All the transactions are available in every block now. We can able to get the details from the another block. Okay, there are two kind of blockchains available: a public blockchain and private blockchain. Okay, public is there, private is there. Public is something like a general, private is something like one sector, one organization. So to do this decentralization application, we will be having a programming like W3 Web3.js. Web3.js. Okay, can you see the Web3.js here? Web3.js official website. Web3 official website. This is the docs.web3.com. So where you can able to create your smart contract, where you can able to create your decentralization application, where you can able to create your EH modules, Health modules, ENS modules, ITIL modules. So here, this is the official website where you can able to develop your decentralized applications. Okay. So Mohansh Technologies is providing all the blockchain related courses. Blockchain Web3.js, blockchain security, blockchain with Python, blockchain Web3.js. When I open blockchain Web3.js, you will be finding out course content. What is the course content we are going to be providing for you? Okay. What is the course content we are going to be providing for you? This is emerging technology. People are getting huge number of jobs on this. Okay, when you search in LinkedIn, blockchain Web3, you will be finding out a lot of job openings. Again, you will be finding searching in Naukri, you will be finding a lot of job opportunities. Okay, so for this Web3.js, first of all, JavaScript is required, and Mohan's Technologies is providing lot of videos for you. JavaScript free videos we already uploaded. Can you see this? This is the playlist where you can able to learn complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript free of cost. No need to pay money for this. Learn all the JavaScript fundamentals. Learn fundamentals first. Then you can able to achieve your blockchain Web3 JS. Okay. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please click on the bell icon and please provide some comments. Your comments are valuable, guys. We'll meet in the next video. We'll discuss more in the blockchain Web3 JS.